Eyes wide open, I'ma die away. Hustle overtime, grind 25/8. But y'all treat my dedication like it's blind faith. Counted the cost of it, so I know the time it take. Through the work I developed the prowess. Feel like I just clocked in 10,000 hours. I know the value I bring, never the most touted. But you can never demean me, I can't allow it. I sit back and think about what I should've had, but I gotta be disciplined with the smaller tasks. To whom much is given, much is asked. I could've went the easy route and not the longer path, but cutting corners wouldn't mold you like the pressure do. That's food for thought, you do the dish and scrape the residue. I'm trying to stay above dirt and stay out the federal. Stick to the script, stay dangerous and stay resolute. Eyes wide open, I'ma die awake. Hustle overtime, grind 25/8. Eyes wide open, I'ma die awake. Hustle overtime, grind 25/8. Eyes wide open, I'ma die awake. I'm losing weight from all the tears I done cried today. Condo in Malibu, told my auntie that I'ma put you in one and take you from where them junkies at. Diamonds and pearls for all my mother figures. When mama died, it was like I lost a blood sister. I better be everything that you once desired. You not here to see, but I know you cheer from the other side. Nothing's in vain, came with the purpose in it. The pain is just God's method of testing perseverance. Never knew the value of $1 till I went without it. Pocket was hurting, picked some length about it. I made up a living off of improvising. I've been through it, when it's your turn I can sympathize with. Proceed to elevate through all the turbulence, and my obsession with winning hasn't been curbed since. Eyes wide open, I'ma die awake. Hustle overtime, grind 25/8. Yeah. Eyes wide open, I'ma die awake.